What's up everybody, this is Mike and today I'll have the pleasure to unbox and set up the DJI Osmo Action for you. The package of the Osmo Action is super small and it only contains a couple of things, the camera itself and another small box. In that box you will find a battery case with the Osmo Action battery in it, two adhesive mounts, one for flat surfaces and one for curved surfaces, a locking screw and a USB-C cable for charging or for connecting to your computer. The camera itself comes with the camera frame installed and you will need that frame on if you want to mount it anywhere. I'll remove it for now to enjoy the Osmo Action in its full beauty. Keep in mind that when you install the battery of the device, you need to make sure that you press on both ends so the battery is attached securely. If not, you will see an orange indicator on the bottom of the camera, which means that the battery is not safely attached on that side. Next, we need to install the micro SD card, which does not come bundled with the device and you have to buy one separately. I opted for a 128GB SanDisk Extreme Pro V30 and I'll link it in the description if you want to see this exact model. The setup process of the Osmo Action itself is quite simple. All you need to do is power the device on, select the language, then follow the on-screen instructions. You need to install the DJI Mimo app for activation and it will automatically show your device so you can connect to it. Once you press connect, a verification code will pop up on your phone and on your Osmo Action, and you need to tap accept on your Osmo Action to continue. Once you do that, your device is successfully activated and you will see some tips on the screen about the Osmo Action. Then you'll have to update the firmware. I suggest you don't wait with the update. Do it on the spot, it takes less than 5 minutes. Simply download it and press install. The device will update itself and it will reboot, and from then on it's ready to use. You can use the DJI Mimo app on your phone as a viewfinder, but I'll focus on that in another video. For now, let's check out the basic settings which you can access from the Osmo Action itself. When you swipe down, you can see 8 icons. The first one is for your custom modes, which you can adjust to your liking. Next is the brightness level. For now I will keep it at 100% so you can see easier. The lock screen button, which is quite handy. Then we have the advanced settings menu. From that menu you can adjust the voice control settings, the quick switch button, the Wi-Fi connectivity, turn the wind noise reduction setting on or off, configure the volume settings, turn your grid on or off, etc. The next icon is about the orientation of the device. You can leave it in auto or you can lock a specific orientation. It's up to you. The next icon turns the spot metering on or off. Next, we can turn the voice commands on or off. And finally, we have a full screen toggle. When you swipe left, you will see the quick settings for your camera. You can leave them in auto or you can quickly change to manual and adjust your ISO and shutter speed. When you go to video mode, you have even more controls with options such as color profile, white balance, de-warp on or off, as well as video format. Swipe right and you will see all the photos and videos you've taken with the Osmo Action, and a swipe up will show you all the available resolutions and frame rates you can shoot with. I personally will stick to 4K 24 frames per second for regular shots and 4K 60 frames per second for shots that I plan to slow down and post with the rock steady feature always turned on. And that's pretty much all for today's video. I'll be doing tons of videos on the new Osmo Action, so if you're interested in that type of content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!